Hi guys, this is Megha Verma. Welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we will learn how to design this letterhead in CorelDRAW. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is the size of our letterhead. First we will select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and we will draw a rectangle. Now we will set the size of the rectangle. Now we will set the align. First we will click on specified point, then align center horizontally and align center vertically. Now we will drag the rectangle like this and right click to make a copy. Now we will right click, then convert to curves. Now we will select the shape tool and we will remove the node by double click. Now we will make a copy by drag and right click. Now we will flip with the mirror option. Now we will set the align. First we will click on selected object, then we will align from the bottom. Now we will select the shape and we will fill color. Now we will select the second shape and we will select the mesh fill tool from the toolbar. Now we will increase the number of rows. Now we will select this and we will fill color. Now we will select the shape tool and we will drag the handles like this of mesh tool. Now we will remove the outline of these shapes by right click. Now we'll select this rectangle and we will drag like this and right click to make a copy. Now we'll right click and we will select convert to curves. Now we'll select the shape tool and we will delete the node by right click. Now we will drag the node like this. Now we'll fill color and we will remove the outline by right click. Now we will adjust the size. Now we'll select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and we will draw a circle. Now we'll set the equal size of the circle. Now we'll place the circle like this. Now we'll increase the outline size of the circle. Now we'll drag. Now we'll do control page down to sand back. Now we'll drag the circle like this. Now we'll right click and we'll fill color and we will remove the outline. Now again we will make one more copy of the circle. We will drag inside and we will right click. Now we'll fill white color. Now we have these details. First we will place the logo on the circle. Now we'll make a copy of the logo and we will increase the size like this. And we will place on the center of the rectangle. Now we will set the align by pressing C. Now we'll select the transparency tool and we will increase the transparency. Now we'll select both and we will press C. Now we have these details. Now we'll change the color and we will place on the right corner. Now we will adjust the size. Now we will select the text tool from the toolbar and we will write the brand name or a company name. Again we will adjust the size. Now we will adjust the size of the brand name. Now again we will select the half of the name and we will change the color like this, and we will give a bold look to this text. Now again we will select the text tool. Now we will write the tagline. Here we will place the tagline. We will select both and we will press C to align center. Again we will select the text tool. Now we will write the headline. We will place headline here. Now we will change the color. Now we will place the paragraph like this. I'll select and we'll press it to align center. Now I'll make a copy of the paragraph. Again we will select the text tool. Now we will write the manager. We will place this text here. Now select this and we will drag with the arrow key. Now we will adjust the size. Now we will write the manager name. We will place here. Now here we will just writing the signature for the example. Now we will align from the right. Now we'll select the rectangle tool. Now I'll make a rectangle like this. Now we will double click and we will drag this rectangle like this. Now I'll fill black color. I'll send back by control, page down. Now we will drag with the arrow key like this. So guys, our letterhead design is ready. I hope you like the design. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, you can ask me on the comment box. Please like, share, comments, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates of my videos. Thanks for watching.